In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your location in Facebook Marketplace step by step. This is super useful if you want to see items in a different city, nearby area, or adjust your search radius so Marketplace shows you better local results. Whether you're moving, traveling, or just want to browse listings in another area, this guide will walk you through it in a simple and fast way. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app or go to Facebook in your browser, then tap or click Menu in the top right corner. On mobile, this may look a little different, but you're looking for the main menu section where Facebook keeps all the important features. Once menu opens, scroll through and select Marketplace. This will take you into the Marketplace area where you can browse, buy, and sell items. Now that you're in Marketplace, look at the top of the screen and tap on your current location. This is the location setting that controls what listings you see. When you click it, Facebook should bring up a search or location box. Here, you can enter the new city, town, neighborhood, or area that you want to browse. Type in the place you want to switch to and then select the correct result from the list if Facebook shows multiple options. After choosing your new location, you'll usually see an option to adjust the radius or distance. This is important because it tells Marketplace how far away it should search for listings. If you want more local results, keep the radius smaller. If you want to see more options from farther away, increase the distance. Choose the setting that works best for you based on what you're looking for. Once your new location and radius are set, click Apply. This confirms the change and updates Marketplace with the new area you selected. After that, Marketplace should refresh and show listings based on your updated location settings. If it doesn't update right away, try refreshing the page or going back into Marketplace once more to make sure the change saved properly. And that's it. You've now changed your location in Facebook Marketplace. It only takes a few steps, but it can make a big difference in the kinds of listings you see. This is especially helpful if you're trying to shop in a different city, compare prices in another area, or find items closer to where you live. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.